Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to make the angel wing with 3D animations for your iClone 8 and your CC5. How are you going to make this? I'm going to show you all this step by step. First, you can just go to my video description and download the old school wing accessory. This is from the old generation of the iClone, and you can just get it and also just drag and drop to apply this accessory on any of the 3D avatar in your iClone or CC. And then there are also some animations, the old school animations, the iClone motion files, where you can just apply on any of your 3D avatar. If you already apply the wing, just drag and drop, then play. Alright, this is the landing, and just now it is the idle. So it is really useful. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials and tips on how to apply the angel wings on any of your CC5 and iClone avatar with the angel wings motions, or the iClone motion file, the old school iClone motion files and accessory. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, tips and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!